So if you would like to add 2FA on your WordPress website, let's see how you can do this. First, you have to add a new plugin, and you can search by 2FA or whatever you prefer. It's kind of, there is lots of the plugin available on the WordPress repository. You can pick any of those, but for the easiest way, I will go with this one, and it's by WordPress, and you know how much popular this one on WordPress industry. So after activate it, you will find a login security option here, and from here you can go to and scan this QR code to add on your Authenticator application. It could be like a Google Authenticator, Microsoft Authenticator, or Authy app, or 1Password. It could be even a Bitwarden, whatever you prefer. So as I am using 1Password, I'm going to connect with this one. So it has very easy to use layout, but for your other apps, you might have to scan using your phone. But for me now, I can just click to scan QR code. It will be auto added here. And then I will see one-time password is available and it's counting. I can copy, and here is the code, and click to activate. And now it's recommend me to download the recovery code. If somehow the one-time password is not working, I can use this code to quickly access my website, and it's highly recommended to have a backup. So I'm just downloaded, so I can just keep it on somewhere else. Now if I am log out, I will find this option whenever I just click to login, the 2FA, and my 1Password is autofill. That's why I don't have to manually just copy paste, otherwise you will have to copy paste. So now you see how easy this one is. So if even someone know your WordPress password, they will not be able to access your website, because you have 2FA and it will ask for the one-time password, which is not possible to break. I hope that helps, and it will also help you to encourage the security of your WordPress website. Always make sure to have a better security of your website to avoid hacking or other unexpected situation. Thanks for watching the video, and see you on the next time.